Hi, it's Mike from Custom Cruisers. You want an exceptionally nice, very well made set of Fords. These are for a twin cam. Okay, check the quality of these. Even got a nice chrome thing around the seal. Okay, fully rebuildable, beautiful quality, very nicely made. Okay, as you can see, not cheap and nasty, not the usual Chinese things, but these things available around about $4.99. Okay, top of range Magnum make as usual, that we always do, and as you can see, made for us, but very good quality. See all this, really nice. One thing I will say, we don't do your eBay stuff. This is very good quality stuff. Okay, so you can see even this has got a nice ridge in, beautiful master cylinder, all fully rebuildable if you should need to, that we never have sold a kit up to now. Okay, beautiful cover over there, and here's the other side. Okay, so basically here's your other side, your gears. Okay, you can see how thick this is, not cheap and nasty, excuse the handprints, but again, beautiful ridging going on here, and beautifully made. So if you want a real top of the range set of Fords, okay, these will look cracking on any bike. Also available for Evo, but this particular set for a twin cam, give us a call, 01773 835 666. Don't think these are on eBay, sorry, on the website, but you know, we will be putting them on Amazon and eBay as well, but around about $4.99, but you are guaranteed a top of range product. Okay, give us a call. Thank you. Alternatively, www.customcruisers.com, and we do also do adapters to make these fit the XV1600s and some of the Japanese bikes. We are working on the Honda Fury at the moment, but top of range stuff as usual. Nice billet shift rods available too. Give us a call, 01773 835 666. Thank you.